Welcome to the ultimate Dubai travel guide. If you're wondering how to make the most of 5 days in this incredible city that blends history, culture, and modern charm, you're in the right place. Dubai, a city where the past embraces the future, is an oasis of innovation amidst a desert of traditional charm. In the next 10 minutes, we will guide you through an exciting 5-day itinerary, packed with architectural marvels, sandy adventures, and aquatic fun. So buckle up, adventurers, get ready to embark on an unforgettable 5-day adventure. Day 1 commences in the heart of Dubai, where modernity meets luxury. Imagine waking up to the gleaming cityscape with the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, piercing the sky. Standing at an impressive height of over 800 meters, it's a marvel of human engineering. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, a panoramic spectacle of Dubai's ever-expanding horizon. Next, step into the world's largest shopping center, the Dubai Mall. It's not just a shopping mall, but a small city within a city. With over 1,200 retail stores, it's a paradise for shopaholics. But it's not just about shopping. You'll find an array of entertainment options, including an indoor theme park, an ice rink, and even a giant aquarium with over 33,000 marine animals. You'll also find a plethora of dining options, from global fast food chains to gourmet restaurants offering a taste of the world's finest cuisines. As night falls, make your way to the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system, located on the 30-acre Burj Khalifa lake. The sight of water dancing in harmony with light and music is truly mesmerizing. The fountain jets water up to a height equivalent to a 50-story building, all while swaying to the rhythm of classical, contemporary, and world music. The beauty of downtown Dubai lies in its ability to combine the sleek lines of modern architecture with the traditional charm of Arab culture. Every corner of this district tells a story of Dubai's journey from a small fishing village to a world-class city. It's a place where you can witness the future being built, one skyscraper at a time. A day spent marveling at the modern wonders of Dubai sets the tone for the exciting journey ahead. You've seen the city from the highest point, shopped in the world's largest mall, and watched water dance in one of the most mesmerizing displays. And this, my friends, is just the beginning. Stay tuned for what's next on our 5-day adventure in the City of Gold. Day 2 takes us to the man-made marvels of Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis. Built on the Arabian Gulf, Palm Jumeirah is a testament to human ingenuity. It's an architectural triumph, a man-made island in the shape of a palm tree, stretching out into the azure waters. There's nothing quite like it anywhere else in the world. Now imagine an island where the streets are lined with luxury villas, 5-star hotels, and high-end boutiques. That's Palm Jumeirah for you. But wait, there's more. The island is also home to Atlantis, a resort that's a world unto itself. Atlantis is where luxury meets adventure. The heart-pounding thrills of Aquaventure water park nestled within the resort are proof of that. Picture yourself hurtling down water slides that catapult you through shark-filled lagoons, or drifting along a mile-long river ride with tidal waves and pools. For those who prefer a slower pace, there are private, tranquil beaches and a marine habitat filled with 65,000 marine animals. But we're not done yet. As the sun goes down, Atlantis transforms. The resort's night scene is as vibrant as its day, with a range of high-end dining options available. There's Nobu for the sushi lovers, Oceano for the seafood aficionados, and Ronda Locatelli for those craving authentic Italian. Yet, there's more to Palm Jumeirah than just Atlantis. Don't miss out on the point. This waterfront dining and entertainment destination offers panoramic views of Atlantis. With over 80 restaurants and retail outlets, there's something for every palate and preference. And if you're lucky, you might just catch the world's largest dancing fountain in action. From thrilling water rides to exquisite dining, Day 2 is all about luxury and fun. It's a day where you can feel the rush of adrenaline, soak up the sun on pristine beaches, dine in style, and experience the sheer scale of human ambition. It's a day that perfectly captures the spirit of Dubai, a city that's not afraid to dream big. Day 3 is a time travel to the rich history and culture of old Dubai. Our journey begins in the Al Fahidi Historic District, a step back into the city's past, where narrow lanes and wind towers transport us to a simpler time. Here, the sand-colored buildings whisper tales of a bygone era, while the Dubai Museum, nestled within the Al Fahidi Fort, offers a glimpse into the Emirates' pearl-diving past and Bedouin culture. From there, we meander down to the heart of Old Dubai, the Dubai Creek, a shimmering lifeline that bears witness to Dubai's trade history. The creek bustles with activity where traditional dhows and abras dot the waters, ferrying people and goods just as they have for centuries. An abra ride, a traditional wooden boat across the creek, is an experience not to be missed. As the sun sets, the creek is bathed in a golden glow, and the call to prayer echoes through the air, creating a magical, timeless moment. Finally, we head to the vibrant golden spice souks. As you step into these bustling markets, your senses are immediately enveloped by the aroma of exotic spices, the glittering array of gold, and the kaleidoscope of colorful textiles. Haggling is the name of the game here, so put on your bargaining hat and dive into the thrill of it. Perhaps you'll find a unique souvenir or a piece of jewelry that catches your eye. And as the day draws to a close, you'll find yourself sipping Arabic coffee at a local cafe, reflecting on the rich tapestry of experiences that Old Dubai has woven for you. It's a stark contrast to the skyscrapers and glitz of modern Dubai, yet it's this blend of old and new that makes the city so enchanting. Day 3 is a fascinating journey into the past, enriching us with the vibrant culture and history of Dubai. As we leave the winding alleys and traditional houses behind, we carry with us an appreciation for the city's roots, paving the way for the adventures that lie ahead. Day 4 is an adrenaline rush with a desert safari and adventure. Imagine the sun rising over endless sand dunes, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. That's how the day begins. But as the day warms up, so does the action. It's time to buckle up for some dune bashing. Now, if you're wondering what dune bashing is, picture yourself in a 4x4 roaring over towering sand dunes, the vehicle pitching and rolling with the shifting sands, your heart pounding in sync with the engine's rhythm. It's a thrilling roller coaster ride, except there are no tracks here, just the wilderness of the desert. But the desert isn't just about wild rides. There's a flip side to it, a side that's calm and serene, and nothing embodies this better than a leisurely camel ride. As your camel gently trots along the sandy terrain, you get to soak in the vastness of the desert, its silent beauty, the feeling of time slowing down. It's an experience that's as humbling as it is captivating. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky in a different palette of colors, you make your way to a Bedouin camp. Here, under a canopy of twinkling stars, you get to experience the authentic culture of the desert. The aroma of traditional Emirati food wafts through the air as you sit down for a feast. The night comes alive with the rhythm of traditional music, the graceful swirls of belly dancers, and the tales of Bedouin folklore around a crackling fire. It's not just a meal, it's a journey back in time, a glimpse into the heart of the desert. From thrilling adventures to authentic experiences, Day 4 is a day of contrasts. This day lets you experience the raw power of the desert as well as its tranquil charm. It's a day where you get to feel the pulse of the desert, its rhythm and its soul. And as you head back with the taste of traditional food still lingering and sand in your shoes, you realize that the desert has left a footprint in your heart too. Truly, Day 4 is not just an adventure, it's an experience that stays with you long after the journey is over. Day 5 is a day of relaxation at Jumeirah Beach and exploration of Dubai Marina. Picture this, the sun is shining, the waves are gently lapping at the shore, and you're stretched out on the golden sands of Jumeirah Beach Residence, or JBR as the locals call it. It's the perfect spot to unwind, soak up the sun, and let the rhythm of the city wash over you. Ready for a little adventure? Just a stone's throw away, you'll find Blue Waters Island, a lively hub of shops, restaurants, and entertainment. It's an island where the buzz of the city meets the tranquility of the sea, a place where you can shop till you drop, dine in style, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. But we're not done just yet. As the sun begins to set, we head to Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. As you ascend into the sky, you'll be treated to a panoramic view of the dazzling cityscape, a sight that's sure to take your breath away. From the serene beach to the bustling island, from the stunning view from Ain Dubai to the vibrant life of the marina, Day 5 offers a blend of relaxation and excitement that's quintessentially Dubai. Day 5 brings a perfect end to the journey, leaving us with unforgettable memories and a yearning to return.